Namaskar. I am Tanushree. I stand for dignity, self-awareness, empathy and well-being for myself and others. I come from a very simple family based in Jaipur. My mother is a teacher and my father has been retired from Indian Railways. I have done my bachelor's in computer science and engineering, and I've been very passionate about dance and art since childhood, and this has also motivated me to work with artisans since my college days. And being with them made me really happy, and I decided to support them in their journey. And in order to pursue that, I did my postgraduate program in development leadership from Indian School of Development Management, Delhi. So, and 3 years back, I founded Nashora, where you get everything earth friendly from the artisan's doorstep to yours. And currently I'm working with 250 women artisans from marginalized community from the remote areas of India and the rural areas of India. And together we are creating earth friendly products like aromatherapy candles, eco hampers, sustainable craft and many more. So Nash means optimistic behavior and aura means atmosphere. So something that makes you feel positive is Nashara. So, I believe entrepreneurship is not about, it is not always about your idea or interest. Like while I was in college, I was full of ideas. But moving forward, I realized entrepreneurship arises when there's a problem. So I was facing a problem, I was in a bad state, and Nashora became the solution to those problems. So while I was in Delhi, my health started to suffer a lot because of the pollution I was facing in Delhi. And Nashora happened to me when I was at the prime of my health issues that ironically became the very idea behind it. Something as basic as breathing became very difficult for me and depleted my health. It made me conscious of the quality of the air I was inhaling, and we are all aware about the outdoor pollution, but we don't even know there's an indoor pollution also. So I started reading a lot about how to accelerate my treatment, and which is why I came across aromatic herbs oil, which works on your pulmonary disorders like congestion, sinus, cold, and helps you to sleep better. So I started adding these oils to my candles, and I realized the majorly world market is full of paraffin candles, which is very high in carbon content, and it causes lung cancers, lung diseases, skin irritations and skin disorders, nausea, fatigue, because it has got benzene and toluene within it. These chemicals are very harmful for human health. So I started making these candles, which is called beeswax candles, and which is totally natural in nature and very earth friendly, because the beeswax candles, the beeswax is extracted from the bees hive, that's how the wax is achieved. So it is believed that beeswax purifies the air. So when we burn beeswax candles, it emits the negative ions in the atmosphere, and the atmosphere contains positive ions. Positive ions are dust particles, pollutants, all the bad things in nature. So negative ion encapsulates the positive ions, and that's how the air is purified. So initially I started making these candles on my own. So I sourced the raw material from across India, and I used to light it up, these candles, for about a month, for 1 to 1.5 hours before going to bed. And I realized my anxiety was in control. I was able to sleep better. I had no sneezes, no congestion, and I realized there are so many people who are suffering through the same problem. And most importantly, these candles not just became the driver for my better health, but also led to the livelihood opportunities for the 250 women artisans from the rural and remote villages of India. So that's how I came up with this idea of Nashora. So we are currently selling through the e-commerce platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, Brown Living, and various earth-friendly platforms. And of course, the collaborations that give us the major leads, and also the B2B collaborations that I'm talking about. Exhibitions, not just the conventional walk-in exhibitions, but also virtual exhibitions like Danutsav. And so we are also exporting to the countries like USA, Canada and Germany, and we are also looking for the opportunities to export to the other countries as well. So we are working in 15 villages across Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh right now. And I am so happy to say that we have been helping women artisans in tribal and remote villages to get the Aadhaar card, PAN card, to open the bank accounts and enrolling their kids to school. So they are contributing in their families now, and I think the most important thing that we have gained is that, you know, it's beautiful to watch their confidence, the confidence of the women artisans in Nashora. Now they're able to interact and they have so much of the confidence while dealing in the entire supply chain, because Nashora is not only giving them the livelihood opportunity, but also concentrating on their holistic development. So we are not only just giving the livelihood, but we are also creating entrepreneurs and more entrepreneurs and earth advocates as we move forward. Now the artisans are earning just by sitting at their homes, and you know, they're earning approximately 2 to 2.5 thousand per month, and that's how they are contributing to the economy and their families. I have been majorly working in grassroots since 5 years now, and I have facilitated over 8,000 plus artisans in the capacity building workshop and decision making workshops. In the period of 5 years, and I've worked with Try India and the refugee camps of Uttar Pradesh where Hindu Muslim riots took place. So I believe that each and every daughter and women has great potential to be much more, but unfortunately lacks the platform, and that is one thing which is Nashora trying to achieve. So what began as a small self-help group with a bunch of women in the tiny village Kalwar from Rajasthan is now a social enterprise. And as a social impact venture, Nashora takes care of the entire process from delivering the raw material to the artisan's doorstep, where they create these beautiful products, and you know, from there it delivers the final product in India and abroad. So you can be a hero in someone's life just by supporting our dream of sustainable livelihood. Thank you. Namaskar.